everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mara. If you're new here, please do subscribe and click the notification bell to notify you when I have a new video. I'm gonna show you an update to my garden. It is the first snow of the year here in Canada when you woke up like this for vegetable. Today is Monday morning, November 15th. First fall snow shower here in Ontario. Our temperature is positive 1 Celsius or 33.8 Fahrenheit, but it feels like negative 3 Celsius or 26.6 Fahrenheit. In this video, I'm going to pick the remaining vegetable. I still have cabbage, butternut squash, and carrots. When it's snowing in Canada! My cabbage. Cabbage have a lot of health benefits, like bone health to keep it strong and free of breaks and disease. It contains lots of potassium, keeps low blood pressure, and also cabbage is full of vitamin K, good for the brain. There's a lot of cabbage here. Harvesting a cabbage while it's snowing here. It's so cool. We need to survive this before it's too late. If you want a cabbage, guys, I will give you this for free. These are late season varieties of cabbage. Keeping cabbage over winter is possible for most types. Medyo napabayaan ko kasi nag-busy. Busy sa work. Oh, here. I will put on the description box the benefits of the cabbage. Sabi nila nakaka-survive daw yung cabbage sa cool weather, but I don't think sa snow kung makaka-survive sila. So dapat i-harvest ko na ito lahat. Here it is. Here is my cabbage here. It's sunny but still cold. So my plan on this, I'm gonna make a pickled cabbage for this, and maybe I'm gonna search more for some recipe for the cabbage. It is a lot of cabbage. This is a small one. This is not grow nice. So I'm gonna put this one. Yeah, I think this is not a nice one. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. A baby cabbage one. Not fully developed. It's kind of dirty. Okay, and this is one. Okay, no more. This is the last. This is the last one. Okay. Here. It's the last cabbage. So, ta-da! It's sunny. It's a nice weather, but it's cold. What are we gonna do? Oh, pick this. Ow. There you go. I got bang in one bang. In a snowy day. Okay. Another one, or see if there's more. Okay, but this one is frozen. So take this and I'm gonna clean and I'm gonna put it in the fridge. A frozen butternut squash. There you go. It's winter time of the year. Look at this, my carrots. There you go. With the snow, of course. And here. It's frozen pepper. Here is my bits. See, small bits. Hello guys, it's time for washing the vegetable. New fresh harvest vegetable, and I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna store muna sa fridge para hindi siya masira, kasi wala pa akong time para gumawa ng pickled cabbage. I'm gonna show you how I can make my recipe for this. Okay, so let's go started to wash. It's really frozen. Okay. Frozen siya. Napabayaan ko kasi and I have some bits. It's the first time na nag-plant ako ng cabbage, so successful naman. That's it. I harvest now. I don't have any more butternut squash and no more cabbage. Only left is the Brussels sprout. I think in a few days it will survive from the cold weather in here. So let's see. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe Bye!